I have a free Eyescream Beauty mystery box. So if you want to see what's in here, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, and Chloe just filmed a couple videos, so she's hanging out now doing her own thing. But if you're new, thank you so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Eyescream Beauty Box had a free mystery box. You only paid $7 shipping and handling, and I jumped on it because I'm like, well, I'm sure I'm going to get my $7 worth. So I did already go through this so that I could use some of the products, and we're going to go over it together. So I'm not going to open everything because I think some of these things will be great, either gifts or giveaway items. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I'm just kind of overflowing with some of these things. The first is a banana loose powder by Okalan, and I just have so many loose powders open currently that I don't see myself getting around to this anytime in the near future. By Bella Pierre, I have the Pro Blush Quad Palette. And there is how that looks. So some lovely colors, but I'm not going to swatch that because I think I'm going to, well, I'm definitely going to either gift this or give it away. I'm just not sure who I might gift it to. I think Mermaid is the name of the company. And this is their Ocean Breeze Eye Topper. Now, I was wearing this earlier today, and it is lovely. It's a shimmery powder. So it is just a pretty topper. You can't really, you can kind of see the shimmer. Very, very lovely. It is just a nice light shimmer. By Gourmand Girls, we have their Bold and Brilliant palette, and I thought this was an eyeshadow palette, so I was super excited, but actually this is a face palette, so I was even more excited because I've never had any of their face items other than the eyeshadow palettes. I didn't even know they made such things. So I did put this on today. I did put on a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter from here. So here is how it looks. I'm going to swatch these for you though. Super creamy. So we have our bronzer, our blush, and these are both, I believe, highlighters. All right, there we go. Super lovely. I did think it was a little weird to have a blush palette and a face palette, but I'm not going to complain because they're both really nice items. And then the last thing in here is an 18 color shadow palette by Okalan called Sundowners. And this is a lovely palette. I'm not going to use it because it is all neutrals. And I feel like I do have this color story in other palettes. So we have some mattes and some shimmers. And I mean, it does have a beautiful, and when you look at this, it really does have that beautiful sunset look to it. And I think somebody's going to really love this. I just have a lot of things that are already within this color story, and I'd rather give it to somebody who maybe doesn't have that. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. I mean, definitely worth the $7. Absolutely. So excited that I jumped on this. I think this was a great variation. I don't know if there were other variations, if other people got different things in theirs, or who even else got it. I haven't really seen it on anyone's channel, but I might have just missed it. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Oh, I don't know if you can see the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter on there, but that is what I used on my face today. All right, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.